Subhanallah wa bihamdihi Subhanallahil Azim.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the month of Ramadan. We are fasting. Everybody comes through some problems, and we have certain confusion in our mind, which are the acts breaks our fast, which are the acts don't break our fast. Today, I would like to give you a list of 15 items which do not break your fast. What are those? Eye drops do not break your fast. Ear drops, they do not break your fast. If you take an injection, muscular injection for a disease, not for multivitamin, does not break your fast. If you have a breathing problem, if you take an inhaler, there is no problem at all. If you give a blood test, your fast is not broken. If there is a perfume or incense in a room or other places, your fast is not broken. Putting the oil or the cream on your head, your fast is not broken. Sometime your nose is bleeding, your fast is not broken. Involuntary vomiting. If you force the vomiting, your fast is broken. Involuntary vomiting, your fast is not broken. Taking shower, your fast is not broken. Using toothbrush or miswak, your fast is not broken. Swallowing your own spit, your fast is not broken. Eating or drinking unintentionally, but as soon as you recognize, you must stop. Not that you keep on eating and drinking. Unintentionally eating and drinking, your fast is not broken. Last item I will just tell you. If you are sleeping and if you have a wet dream, your fast is not broken. But if a woman has a period while she is fasting, her fast is broken. Dear brothers and sisters, these are the 15 items that you can remember, and don't worry about it, which act will break your fast. These are the 15 items. Your fast will not be broken. May Allah give you strength to fast Ramadan with good faith and iman. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala